our waist up into a lasso using a back lift off. So step one is, if you hoop to your left, meaning when you get the hoop going, you push with your right hand, then you will use your right hand to do the lift off. If you hoop to your right, meaning you use the left hand to get the hoop going, then you will use your left hand to do the lift off. All right, so when the hoop is on your waist, step one is you want to get your fingers pointing to the ground, back of the hand needs to land on your side back. And you want to be able to keep the hoop going here for a while so that you've got time to find the timing. If you're having trouble working out how to get your hand in, I want you to look at the front of your hoop. If this is 12 o'clock, check out about 1 o'clock. And as you see that disappearing, that's when that back side is going to open up. So that's your timing to get your hand in, yeah? So we're going to have a look here. As you see it disappearing, get this hand ready, kind of hang it out by your side. And then as you see it disappearing, count yourself in. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, again, as you see it disappearing. 1, 2, 3, go. And you want to be able to keep the hoop going while you feel it touching your hand for some time, okay? Once you've got that, the motion is going from here, keep this hand in nice and close to the body, come up the side body, so slinky, slinky, like, ooh, yeah, and then flicker. Another thing you can do if you're not comfortable just keeping an open hand is you can loosely grip the hoop, so you'll feel it touch your palm, loosely grip, so thumb to middle finger or index finger, and then carry up from there. I'm going to do that in slow-mo as close as I can without knocking the camera over. Watch this guy. From there, when you get to the top and release it, it's going to end up spinning around your thumb. That's just where it lands. It's totally what happens. Nothing else can happen. That's where it is. You can't stop it happening. You got to roll with it, okay? So from here, scoop it up. The kind of things that go wrong for people with this one is they reach out. So really make sure that when you get your hand in, keep the hand pressed against the back. Keep it tight, keep it tight. Don't let it start to track out or you'll lose your hoop. So keep it tight, keep it tight, keep it tight. And then when you travel up, don't do this. Don't go out to the side. It's going to get stuck here. Also, don't go too far in front. It's going to also catch on your back. So even though you won't end up with your hand traveling slinky, slinky up your side, the intention and thought behind the movement is that. And if we send that message to the hand, we're more likely to make it. Yeah, we're more likely to make it up. That's what I've found anyway. In terms of what to do with this hand, get it out of the way for now. So you might want to hold it across or grab your opposite shoulder. That's quite a good spot as well. So feel it touching your hand, touching your hand, touching your hand. Let's say you practice this enough that that's solid, and then you're going to keep it tight, travel up. Once you end up on your thumb, whoopsie, we need to do a thumb to fingers transition. So my thumb's pointing up, I'm going to go from this position to my fingers pointing up and my thumb pointing out. So we go from here to here, from here to here, from here. Do it with me without the hoop and that'll help you get it. From here to here. Hick, duck, palm forward, thumb up, palm forward, thumb out. From the front, on the thumb, slow-mo. Thumb, so the fingers are going to push up and the thumb's going to come out to the side. You can practice each piece of this on its own, so you can waist hoop, get the timing, get your hand in, practice it just here, practice traveling up. So keep it tight. Spinning on the thumb. So you might even want to practice spinning on the thumb for a while. Make sure you can do this transition and fingers in, thumb across. I'm going to do that in slow-mo, up nice and close from a couple of different angles. So from the front, you're probably not going to see the lasso, so I might have to duck down. Let's see how we go. From the front. from the side. And from the back. Alrighty, I hope you got it. Feel free to comment below if you're stuck on anything. I'm happy to help you. And please do subscribe, click the little button, click the little bell, hear about the new tutorials as they're coming out. And happy hooping. I hope that you find the float in this move, the float and the flow. Enjoy, see you next time.